Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have Gotenks from Dragon Ball. So Goten and Trunks fused together. On a landscape page, use a pencil, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with that Dragon Ball sort of W, you know, that sort of frown that they have in the middle of their face. So we're just down below halfway. You want to leave a good bit of room for the hair, right? So we're down here below the halfway point. And we're just going to start with sort of a W kind of shape, like this kind of thing. Okay. And then the eyebrows are going to come out from the side of that. So we'll tick it up. Like that. Okay. And we're thicker on the end. So here. And then it gets skinnier as we go down. Like so. Then we do pretty much the same thing on the other side. So we do an eyebrow line there, and then up like so. Like that, and then we make it wide there, curve it down. So all the Dragon Ball characters really have eyebrows like this. Well, all the Saiyans do anyway. So you start the same way. Sometimes you have these like lines on the end, like these, and then we have a small line there and a large line there, and then we curve those together, and then we have his iris, semicircle, and then we do that on the other side. A long line, short line, just there, and then we curve them together to there. Those box like Dragon Ball eyes, and then his iris, semicircle, like so. And then his nose, so just like down here, like sometimes it's a letter L, like that. And there might be like that shadow on the side, you know, that sort of diamond on the side of the nose, like that. Sometimes it comes like underneath and back up the other side, but yeah, you don't have to be too worried about it. And then his mouth comes back there, and then down both sides. And then a chin line, just here, one or two, and then those cheek marks coming across his cheek, like so. And his chin, real pointy chin, just there. So the nose is halfway between the eyes and the chin. So here to here, same as here to here. And then the bottom lip is about halfway between the nose and the chin. Just this sort of line here, about halfway between, say, the middle of his nose. So, jaw, up the side, same over here, like so. So we're about just in between his nose and his mouth there, which is just about that level. And then we change direction and we're underneath the eyebrow, and then we go up like so, and up like so. And then we have his sideburns. So a sideburn there, sideburn there. And then this will come around for his hairline. Like so, comes around, kind of like Vegeta's sort of hairline, you know, comes down to like a V. And so the frown is like in the middle of the face. So the V is like, so here to here, your frown will be about halfway. So for whatever distance your chin to your frown is, it should be the same from the frown to this point of his hairline. then we'll go up, down, to there. Then his ears, so big Dragon Ball ears. They always have like real big ears. Like so. And then ear lines and stuff inside. Like so. And you can add as much of this as you want really. You don't have to be too precious about it. That'll do. Next ear. Up like that, try and keep them sort of relatively level, and then we'll go down the other side like so, and now they line up as well. And then ear lines like that, and some more bumpy sort of lines like this. Every artist does these different, every manga artist and anime artist. The ear lines are never the same. Okay, so hair then. Classic Dragon Ball spiky hair. So Super Saiyan, like so. And then we keep going up. Like so. Up to here. And we're going all the way up now. Real big one now. So next one, up to like there, comes down. Next one, right up to there, and then comes down, and then the big one right up to the top, and then comes down, and then up. Down, keep going, like so. Spiking down to the ear, and then some small ones back here. Like so, and then there's like 2 across the front here as well. And then 1 here. Like that. And then we have like lots of hairlines and texture lines, right? So like all this kind of stuff. Coming down, going up, just sort of following the shape for each hair spike, so you just keep adding as much as you feel your drawing needs. Okay, so he has some frown lines just on his forehead as well, forgot them. And then we'll do that sort of fusion costume that they wear. So it's like, you know, the bumpy sort of collar that's just here, curves around, back up into there. And it's got those, you know, lines every now and then, like so. And same on the other side. So it's like a coil or like just a curve, like that sort of thing. Lines here, coming up and over like that. And then his neck just inside here. So 2 necklines. Coming down, small enough neck. His trapezius muscle lines just in behind here, and then neck lines and chest muscles, 2 bumps coming across there. So then his clothes will keep going down this way to a small sort of jacket, so it's kind of like a bottom jacket thing sort of here, like that. And then that has 2 more of these things on the sides, right? So this is like the edge of the jacket, And then you have 2 more of those coils. But the fusion characters only seem to have when they fuse. It's weird, I wonder why. So 2 of those. And then we have lines curving that way. 1 there. A couple there. And there. Right, so the side of his body then just comes down the bottom there, and then we can see some chest muscle lines. He's only a kid, so they're kind of small. Like that. And then this comes up over for abdominals. Down like so. Then we do that. Then we do his arms. So we have a shoulder muscle, tricep, and that kind of comes off to his elbow down off my page. And then bicep, bit of a forearm, and bicep line just there. Maybe a shoulder line there as well. Like so. And then same on the other side. So a bit of a shoulder line, tricep, bicep in there. Okay. Yeah, I think that is everything. How to draw Gotenks from, I think that's everything, from Dragon Ball. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.